What it do, YouTube? You know your boy back with another fucking banger. So, today, I told y'all, if y'all had went to my previous videos, I told y'all I have some carbon pieces. All of them came, and the final missing pieces here. Don't mind the wind because it is windy, but as you can see, I have my Seibon carbon fiber lip. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. I did not unwrap it yet because, well, I started, but I didn't take out the whole thing because I wanted to unwrap it with you guys. So that carbon is here. So this is the lip, and I'm gonna leave a picture in the video as well as to how I mocked it up. But I had to do a little cutting of the existing lip, because it's supposed to sit on top of this and then clip in. So I marked out where I have to cut, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut that right now. So don't mind the wind, but I got the lip on. It actually looks good. It keeps coming down right here. I don't know why, but it looks good. Looks good. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna 3M tape the inside because there are screws that sit underneath it. It sits on the existing lip, so it just sits there. But it actually looks good. I want to see how it looks in the nighttime when I go take pictures. So I'm gonna update you when this is done, and it's hella windy. Hopefully there's some cautions tonight so I can throw my DVDs. Let this chill, you feel me? So yeah, this is how it looks. Fitment, I could say you're gonna have to do a little modification. I did the lazy way. If it falls off, then I'll do it the right way. But yeah, I don't feel like my bumper is fully on. It's not in the grooves of the headlight bracket. I don't feel like taking it off, so I'm gonna just let it sit like that until I feel like taking off the bumper again to take off my headlight. So yeah, this is how it looks. Seibon carbon looks really good. So yeah.
2,000 years later.
So me and my homeboys, we went to go take some rollers or whatever. We're taking rollers, and when it's my time to get my car taken, get photos of my car, after my shoot, surprisingly, I dropped like 2 gears. I'm in 5th just cruising. I dropped to 3rd to go. Something tells me don't do it, but I still do it, and all I hear is doo-doom. I turned down my music. I'm like, yo, what the hell is that? So now we go around to the other side of the highway. There's no lip, no nothing. So we go to park my car, we go back. I'm using my cousin's car. Now we in my cousin's car, and now we're driving on the highway that we took the photos at, the rollers at. And then I pick up the lip. I'm gonna show you the lip. What's good, bro? Clean. You wash it?
Yesterday.
I see. problem. Thank you. I appreciate it. See, you got random people, guy in that car telling me my car look good. But anyways, is the lip that I put on. As you see, it's toasted. It's completely obliterated. I was gonna try to get somebody to fix it, but this is beyond repairable. So I was just too eager to put it on. But yeah, I have a new lip on the way, and I have this correct screw. Oh my God! And then I know you can hear that I have an exhaust leak. So yeah, this hurts my heart. Just seeing it like this. I didn't even have it on for a day. Well, I had it on for a day, probably like a day and like two hours